Hello friends, welcome to my channel Math Sparks. Here we have a question: what number decreased by 32 equals 5 times the number? Okay, so let's assume that our number is x. Okay, so x minus decreased by 32. Okay, what number if decreased by 32 equals to 5 times of the number? The number is x. Okay, now how will we solve it? See, this is the equation that we get. Now how will we solve it? See, we'll do like this: x minus 32 is equal to 5 into x. Okay, now we are left with minus 32 and we are taking this 5x and minus x. Okay, now minus 32 is equal to 4x. Now x will be minus 32 by 4. Okay, minus 32 by 4. So our answer is x is equal to minus 8. So the right option here is this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.